Welcome. In front of me is a Nokia C21 Plus, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. So to get started, let's open up settings. From here you want to scroll all the way down to system, select advanced, reset options, delete all data, factory reset. This will bring up a message letting us know that everything that is listed right here will be removed. But for the most part, you shouldn't really worry about most of this. The only things that you might be concerned about are things like music, photos, and user data. Most of the time, rest of the things are just either you can re-download them or re-log into them, like Google accounts or app data or just apps in general. But if you keep music, photos locally, then you might want to create a backup, and obviously user data as well. And also it shows you that it will log out of these two accounts. So I'm going to select erase all data. I do have a pattern, so I need to confirm it right over here. Then I can select erase all data once more, and this will now begin factory resetting the device. Now this entire process will probably take 3 to maybe 5 minutes to finish up, so just be patient. Once it's completed, we'll be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your phone however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.